The recent resignation of Hagan Scotten, the seventh prosecutor to depart from the Justice Department's case against New York City Mayor Eric Adams, has intensified the controversy surrounding the department's decision to dismiss corruption charges against the mayor. Scotten's departure, accompanied by a scathing letter addressed to former Trump attorney Emil Bove, underscores deep divisions within the department and raises significant concerns about the integrity of the legal process. Mayor Eric Adams was indicted in September on federal charges, including fraud, bribery, and corruption. The allegations centered on claims that Adams accepted over $100,000 in illegal campaign contributions, with suggestions of a quid pro quo arrangement involving support for federal immigration policies. Adams has consistently denied these allegations, pleading not guilty and asserting that no such arrangement existed. The controversy escalated when Acting Deputy Attorney General Emil Bove ordered the dismissal of the charges against Adams. Bove justified this directive by stating that the prosecution could interfere with Adams' ability to govern effectively, particularly in areas impacting public safety and national security. This rationale has been met with skepticism and criticism from various quarters. In his resignation letter, Scotten criticized the Justice Department's approach, describing the dismissal as a serious mistake that undermines the integrity of the justice system. He specifically condemned the dismissal-with-leverage tactic, suggesting it was an unlawful attempt to coerce political compliance from Mayor Adams in exchange for dropping the case. Scotten's departure follows the resignations of 6 other prosecutors, including interim Manhattan U.S. Attorney Danielle Sassoon, who also expressed objections to the directive. The resignations have sparked a broader debate about the potential politicization of the Justice Department. Critics argue that dismissing charges in exchange for political favors sets a dangerous precedent, eroding public trust in the impartiality of legal institutions. This situation has drawn parallels to historical events where political considerations were perceived to influence judicial proceedings, raising alarms among legal experts and former law enforcement officials. Adding to the complexity, reports suggest that the dismissal of charges may have been part of a quid pro quo arrangement, wherein Mayor Adams agreed to cooperate with federal immigration enforcement in exchange for the dropping of the indictment. Both Adams and the Trump administration have denied these allegations, with the latter claiming that the prosecution was politically motivated. Nonetheless, the perception of such an arrangement has fueled further controversy and calls for transparency. The turmoil within the Justice Department has not gone unnoticed by other branches of government. New York Governor Kathy Hochul is reportedly considering the removal of Mayor Adams from office, reflecting the mounting pressure and the potential implications of the case on state governance. Meanwhile, the court's decision on whether to approve the dismissal of charges remains pending, adding uncertainty to the legal and political landscape. This situation has also prompted discussions about the ethical responsibilities of legal professionals within the Justice Department. The resignations of Scotten, Sassoon, and others highlight a commitment to uphold the Constitution and the law impartially, even in the face of directives that may conflict with these principles. Their actions serve as a reminder of the importance of maintaining the independence of legal institutions from political influence. As the case continues to unfold, it serves as a focal point for broader conversations about the role of politics in the justice system. The outcome may have lasting implications for how similar cases are handled in the future and could influence public perception of the Justice Department's commitment to impartiality and the rule of law. In summary, the resignation of Hagan Scotten, along with 6 other prosecutors, in response to the Justice Department's directive to dismiss charges against Mayor Eric Adams, has ignited a complex debate over legal ethics, potential political interference, and the integrity of judicial processes. The situation continues to evolve, with significant attention from legal experts, government officials, and the public.